Coffee Can Investing is a book that presents a low-risk investment strategy for achieving substantial returns. The approach, developed by Saurabh Mukherjea, a renowned Indian investor and author, focuses on selecting high-quality stocks and holding them for an extended period, typically 5 years or more. This strategy is designed to deliver annualized returns that outperform many successful dynamic investment options while minimizing risk. Key principles: quality over quantity. Focus on a small number of high-quality companies with a proven track record of generating consistent profits and revenue growth. Long-term perspective. Hold on to these stocks for an extended period, allowing them to compound and appreciate in value over time. Low risk. Avoid speculative investments and focus on stable, well-established companies with strong fundamentals. Diversification. Spread investments across various sectors and industries to minimize exposure to any one particular market or sector. Coffee Can Formula. The book provides a formula for building a coffee can portfolio, which involves identifying high-quality companies with strong financials, management, and competitive advantages, allocating a fixed percentage of the portfolio to each stock, typically 5 to 10%, holding the portfolio for a minimum of 5 years. Benefits: consistent returns. The Coffee Can strategy aims to deliver consistent returns over the long term, reducing the impact of market volatility. Low risk. By focusing on high-quality companies, investors can minimize the risk of significant losses. Simplicity. The strategy is straightforward and easy to implement, requiring minimal trading activity and no frequent rebalancing. Target audience. Coffee Can Investing is suitable for individual investors and financial advisors seeking a low-risk, long-term investment approach. The book is particularly relevant for Indians as it addresses the country's unique market conditions and investor preferences. Conclusion: Coffee Can Investing offers a compelling alternative to traditional investment strategies, emphasizing the importance of quality, patience, and discipline. By following the principles outlined in the book, investors can build a robust portfolio that delivers strong returns while minimizing risk. If you liked this video and found the summary of Coffee Can Investing helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful book summaries.